Come here. Come here, donkey. Look, I'm petting its head. It's a donkey. Horses and a mule. Donkey don't want to get petted, though, because he don't brave enough. He's a pretty donkey. Come here, you. Come here. For some head scratching? Nose shit, whatever. Come here. They don't know people. But he's cool. I'm him Cornelius. I don't think he's got a name besides Donkey. Come here, mule. Alright. Dubstep, nigga. You hear Jason talking, you're getting scared, think he's gonna eat you. That's cool. Indians don't eat animals like y'all no more. It's cool. How awesome is that? I'm petting. I'm usually scared of that shit. Buddy Mew. Come here, girl. You want your head scratched? Come here. I'll scratch your head too. Like this, look. Hey man, she don't like it to feel good. I know ain't nobody scratched your head in a while. I rubbed your ear. You like it, don't you? Jaw scratching. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. You can't reach that, can you? I bet that ain't been scratched in a minute, has it? Look at little curly hair on top of his head. Well, you got a good hairline. Better than mine.